Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then launch the process. Install Appium 2, X Node, JS and Java and make sure path entries work. Once done, connect a real device or boot an emulator and enable developer options with USB debugging. Next, run the Appium server and open the inspector. You choose the driver and paste minimal desired capabilities. This gets the session initiated, so you can inspect the app immediately and avoid wasted setup time. You now create and refine the session. Enter desired capabilities like platform name, device name, and either app package/app activity or bundle ID, then start the session. Once connected, use the inspector to hover and highlight elements. XPath, Accessibility ID, and Resource ID are your primary selectors. As you explore, record attributes and copy locators into your test code. Make sure to test selectors against different app states and iterate. This prevents brittle locators and makes automated tests resilient as the app UI changes. You finish by validating actions and saving results. Use tap, send keys, and swipe in Inspector and confirm the app responds as expected. Then save screenshots and the page source and export session data into your test framework to reproduce interactions. If something breaks, first check Appium server logs and look for desired capabilities typos, incorrect bundle ID, or driver mismatches. Also confirm device connectivity and developer options. That one troubleshooting tip: read the server log lines. They usually show the exact cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.